guys, very Manguma here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how to DIY a mirror wall under 2,500 Kenya shillings, that's $25. So you can check the description box down below so as to know where to get your materials from or vice. Start at the bottom and use a small piece of a wooden strip to guide you in between the mirrors. Make sure you leave spaces so that to avoid glue on the mirrors later in the process. Spray the strips on both sides twice on the front side. As I was mounting the mirrors, one of them actually fell as previously shown. So I had to remove the mirrors and repeat the whole process of camera. So what I recommend is, or rather what I used was super glue. Make sure you use super glue on both sides of the two-sided tape, that is on the side of the mirror and also mostly on the wall side. Measure every line individually and mark or give them numbers. Put numbers on the wall too. Cut the strips into pieces and apply glue. off with the frame. Your Kenya shillings to dollar or vice versa, you can check at the description box below. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload my videos. Also comment down below, tell me how you found the video. Any questions you have, you can put them at the comments. Also give me feedback how you found the video, and yeah, just be interactive. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you love this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.